Welcome to Road Zone Reviews, your #1 destination for everything Tesla, EVs, and the future of mobility. From exclusive leaks and electric truck breakthroughs to Elon Musk's boldest innovations, we break it all down with facts, clarity, and power. If it moves fast and changes the world, you'll see it here first. Subscribe now, the electric future starts here. Asterisk, a parked truck doesn't just sit idle, it bleeds money, misses critical delivery windows, and chips away at a company's reliability and brand reputation. In the world of freight logistics, movement is everything, and Elon Musk is determined to ensure that the Tesla Semi never stands still again. After years of anticipation, delays, and speculation, the electric revolution in long-haul trucking is finally picking up speed. And now a series of leaked developments has revealed something massive. Tesla's Class 8 electric truck appears to be heading into full-scale production. And the first sign may have been revealed not through a press event, but by pure accident. Semi-leaked discovery. While much of the media buzz remains focused on Tesla's upcoming robo-taxi network and FSD upgrades, a quieter yet equally important discovery has emerged from the shadows of Giga Nevada. In a drone video captured near the new Giga semi-production zone, a completely shrink-wrapped Tesla Semi was spotted resting on a giant peloton like anything seen before. Dan Priestley, Tesla's semi-program lead, had previously confirmed that the team was finalizing updates ahead of a broader production rollout. This new footage, however, implies that the next generation Tesla Semi is already built and possibly undergoing final testing. And this unit, it appears to be more than just a tweak, it could be a fully revised prototype. Key observations: what makes this particular truck so special? For one, it's not being transported like typical production semis. Its packaging and delivery method hint at an unusually high degree of caution, common with early test models or confidential prototypes. The shape and design show some noticeable differences compared to previously seen units, especially around the front cabin area. It's bulkier, potentially housing new hardware or structural changes. Analysts suggest this may be an advanced, high-end variant of the Semi, perhaps a sleeper-capable model, a long-range edition, or even a global version being prepped for overseas deployment. Whatever it is, it's clear that Tesla is preparing to lift the curtain on something far more advanced than expected. Production timeline and delays. To understand how significant this is, we have to look back at the long and winding road of the Tesla Semi. First revealed in 2017, the Semi promised to be a game-changer in long-haul logistics with futuristic design, impressive range, and zero emissions. The original production date was set for 2019, but supply chain hurdles, battery limitations, and shifting priorities pushed the launch further and further. While a handful of semis have been delivered, most notably to PepsiCo and Tesla's own fleet, the volume remained minuscule. Even the construction of the dedicated Semi factory at Giga Nevada faced multiple slowdowns. Now, Elon Musk has confirmed a turning point. Tesla aims to ramp up to 50,000 units annually, starting later this year. And this time, the numbers seem to match what we're seeing on the ground. Drone footage incites. The recent drone footage, shared by Tesla Tracker and Semi supporter Zena, has sparked widespread attention. Several new trucks, visibly different from earlier models, can be seen stationed near the new facility. Among them, one shrink-wrapped Semi stood out. Why wrap a single truck like this? Tesla typically reserves such packaging for early prototype shipments or highly confidential variants. It could be a test mule being sent to an overseas division, or, as Dan Priestley hinted, an upgraded version ready to hit the mass production line. Interestingly, there are reports of 2 Tesla Semis being shipped to Germany earlier this year, adding more weight to the theory that Tesla is preparing a version tailored for European markets. New design elements. Let's break down what's new. The shrink-wrapped Semi shows notable design changes. The front end appears to have added structural reinforcement, possibly a revised crash structure or aerodynamic upgrade. Even more intriguing is the extended length of the cabin, which many speculate could house a sleeper compartment. This is a major addition, especially for long-haul routes. Dan Priestley has previously confirmed that Tesla was working on a more refined version of the Semi, which includes better aerodynamics, improved side mirrors for visibility, and a new drop glass feature to enhance driver interaction with loading bays and charging ports. These updates suggest that Tesla is listening closely to real-world feedback from fleet operators and refining the truck accordingly. Battery overhaul. One of the most impactful upgrades comes in the form of the Semi's battery system. Tesla is shifting away from its current 2170 cell format and moving toward a high-voltage battery architecture. According to Priestley, the new HV battery pack delivers the same range, 500 miles, but with less energy stored. That's thanks to a 7% gain in overall efficiency. This also means the truck is lighter and cheaper to manufacture. This is the big deal in commercial logistics, where weight directly impacts payload capacity and cost efficiency drives every decision. The ability to offer the same performance at a lower production cost could make the Semi far more competitive as diesel prices fluctuate globally. not the 4680s yet for a while. Many believe that Tesla would outfit the Semi with its revolutionary 4680 battery cells, the same ones used in the Cybertruck, but that assumption may have been premature. Now appears that Tesla is holding off on 4680 integration in the Semi, potentially reserving it for smaller vehicles with higher production volume. That said, Tesla is still aiming to give the Semi a superior battery configuration, even if it doesn't include the 4680 just yet, and that opens the door to future improvements. Meanwhile, other changes like the potential sleeper cab moving full speed ahead. Smart sleeper cab design. Tesla's approach to the sleeper cab is particularly innovative. Instead of retrofitting the main cabin or compromising driver space, Tesla is developing a dedicated compartment behind the main cockpit. This modular approach offers flexibility and preserves the truck's original ergonomic layout. The prototype sleeper cab appears to be made of a sturdy metal frame that could easily accommodate to drivers on long-haul trips. This upgrade alone, that could dramatically expand the Semi's potential. Use cases transforming it from a regional delivery truck into a coast-to-coast solution. Europe expansion strategy. Tesla isn't stopping with US deployment. The company is making bold moves. In Europe, it recently hired Yu Shimo, a seasoned executive in the electric commercial vehicle sector, to lead Semi development across the EMEA region. This suggests that Tesla is actively building the groundwork for European production and distribution. Elon Musk previously noted that Giga Berlin could become the future semi-hub for Europe. If that happens, Tesla will be positioned to compete directly with legacy giants like Mercedes-Benz and Volvo on their home turf. Why Europe matters. Europe is one of the most expensive regions in the world to operate diesel trucks thanks to soaring fuel prices, strict emissions rules, and tolls that can exceed $25,000 per truck per year. Switching to electric trucks like the Tesla Semi could dramatically cut these costs. However, Tesla will have to address several challenges. Its current service infrastructure in Europe is limited, while competitors already have deep-rooted support networks. Moreover, Tesla's image in Europe is mixed, with skepticism lingering around Musk's leadership style and aggressive market tactics. Design challenges in Europe. European trucks are subject to much stricter dimensional regulations than their US counterparts. Class 8 trucks in Europe need to be shorter and narrower to navigate older cities and tighter roads. Tesla's Semi, with its wide body and central driving position, may require a complete redesign for EU approval. That includes repositioning the driver's seat to the left side, reshaping the front end, and shortening the overall length, all without sacrificing the Semi's range or safety performance. Differences between EU and US trucks. In North America, long-nosed truck designs dominate, offering spacious cabins, better crash protection, and room for amenities like beds, fridges, and storage. In Europe, trucks use flat front cabovers to maximize cargo length within shorter road limits. These trucks force the driver to sit above the engine, which can be less comfortable and harder to maintain. Tesla's current design caters more to the US lifestyle, but entering the EU market means playing by different rules, current specs, and redesign requirements. Currently, the Tesla Semi is approximately 20.9 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and 13 feet tall. While these specs align with North American standards, they may exceed European width regulations. A redesign will be needed not only to meet legal requirements, but also to fit the needs of European logistics firms. The central driving position might be replaced with a left-hand seat, and the truck's control systems would need to be localized for European operations. Orders are already placed. Despite these challenges, orders are already rolling in. Norwegian logistics company ASKO has placed an order for 10 Tesla Semis. The company, which already uses European electric trucks, believes the Tesla Semi offers unmatched technology and value. However, until Tesla ramps up US production, the European launch likely won't happen before 2026. Tesla's broader vision. Elon Musk believes the Tesla Semi is more than just a truck. It's a pivotal piece in Tesla's long-term mission to eliminate fossil fuels from every corner of the transportation sector. From slashing fuel and maintenance costs to reducing co-emissions, the Semi represents a massive leap forward in clean freight mobility. Companies like PepsiCo, Walmart, and Costco have already included the Semi in pilot fleets, setting the stage for mainstream adoption. Closing thoughts. Musk has made it clear, sticking with diesel is no longer viable. With the Tesla Semi offering near-zero fuel costs, reduced downtime, and unmatched torque and acceleration, traditional trucking is on borrowed time. The Tesla Semi isn't just a concept, it's a revolution that's finally shifting into drive.